Are you ready for this?
I'm not.
You all ready for this?
I'm ready.
Dun 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 dun.
That house is up there so pretty. I wish I would have lived there.
I would end up like falling off.
I know, so would I.
You know what I would do?
It
If
would
this is like
suck if you were
Minecraft.
So pretty.
sleepwalking.
Hey Train, if this is like Minecraft, I'd like dig a hole, like going up there all the way to like digging steps like through the
Ooh, that's a
I
little
would get
cave.
house.
I would get a balcony to get it come out here right in the middle, and I would just like walk straight up and
Look at that tree. That's grown straight out
Whoa.
under the rock,
Whoa!
up into the rock and pushed it out.
It's like, get out of my way.
I made it grow out this way.
That's sort of like a support for all that rock.
Paddle.
Yeah, you might not want to cut that down.
Oh wait,
All
this
that
is
rock
y'all's.
comes down.
There's people camping.
Hey, it's that one dog. With them one people that
Hang on,
came to
y'all.
the bridge. With that one
Let's
thing.
go forward. Like make the boat go.
Okay, this is the campers, y'all. You want to get over here, Dylan? I don't want to be in the heart of the storm. Yeah.
Are you worried?
It's not bad.
Just put your foot in the thing.
I laugh at the fear of danger. Oh hell no.
Hey, look at that beaver slide.
Some of them aren't beaver slides. Only some of them are beaver slides.
Everything's a
Oh
beaver slide.
hell no.
There's a beaver
At
slide.
least we're here now.
You still have to walk. I wonder how deep it is right here.
I'm gonna add some.
You gotta stand up through this. Surf.
I put my leg in there.
Yeah! Hardcore. This is what you call
Now you're gonna see the cemetery where everybody died.
Put the phone in.
The bang, right?
Yeah, is that the people who like really died on TV?
I'm sure some of them. At least one or two. They probably died on the mulberry.
Okay.
Somebody hit a tree and fell off.
So guys, we have to get past the rapids and then we gotta
Paddle
come
back.
swing
paddle back
Up
to get
along
on
the
those
bank.
rocks right there.
Right there?
If
Yeah.
you want to go through these rapids, yeah.
Yeah, we want to go through these rapids. It'll just be a big old wave. If we went
Not
off
much
it.
I
paddling.
don't really want to see.
Yeah, you
Not gonna
do.
be
Oh,
soaked.
it's a little too late now.
Huh?
Oh yeah! You know what's back there?
Hardcore? No.
Go back,
You need to
Trent.
sit down.
Right there, right there. Perfect.
Back one.
Hell no! Hell no!
Back!
Back, back, back!
Back it up.
Oh yeah!
There you go. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that.
Hold back.
Go forward one.
Hell no!
Dylan, get up there!
Go back.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! No back.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards.
What?